Writing an effective recommendation letter either for an employee or even a student is highly valuable to that employee or that student. Today I'm going to show you how to write a good recommendation letter. So let's climb in. So writing an effective recommendation letter, can be somewhat challenging. So let's just go through a few formalities here. First of all, we've got a recommendation for a student. Now this means you are going to be writing a letter for a student that was maybe in your class, and the student will be going to maybe a different university or starting university or whatever the case may be. So this is for a specific use case. You want to add your name, your position, your institution, as well as a date. And then it says the admissions committee. This is now who you are addressing it to. And you want to put the university's name or the institution's name over here. I've just used this as a placeholder. That's fantastic. Okay, so let's go ahead into the body. So, dear members of the admissions committee, and now you want to start getting into some details. Okay, so here you want to make sure that you are not naming specific traits of a student. So like, this student was always at class in time. This student always went the extra mile. This student always, it's very generalized, and it's somewhat what they call a template recommendation letter. It kind of just applies to pretty much everybody in the class. So you want to really customize this and make it special and unique for that specific student. You can see here it says, in my specific course, student name consistently displayed curiosity and dedication. For instance, and then you can start naming some specific details. This person demonstrated strong analytic skills resulting in, and then a specific outcome. This is now getting specific because we want to make sure that it's personalized and it doesn't just look like a template. So writing down here, you want to also mention some of the specific behavioral attributes. So over here we're saying beyond academics. This is now personal traits or just traits to describe the person and the contributions that this person had within this time period. So you're going to add some of these details in over here, and then again you're going to put in here, in summary, your student name will be a valuable addition to whatever university's name. Their work ethic and collaborative spirit will drive future success. This is fantastic. Here you want to just end off and say, thank you for considering this recommendation. Sincerely, your name, your position, again, just like we did at the top. Now, we're going to jump into a recommendation letter for an employee. Again, we're going to use the same principles. We don't want to use principles of specifics. So we want to say like employee was always on time. Employee always gave fantastic customer service. These are things that you don't really want to do. You don't want to use specifics like that because it kind of makes the recommendation letter feel, again, like a template and generalized, and it kind of closes off what this specific employee is actually capable of doing. So what you want to do is you want to use open statements, open-ended statements that allow the employee to seem like or feel as if they have area for growth so that they can continue to better themselves. So here we have, I'm writing to recommend a person's name and a specific position. And then you also want to include the company or the authorization that you are addressing here. Here we're going to go, this person at this company in this position, and we have witnessed their personal growth over this past period. You want to add a duration there in as well if you would need to. Again, you want to go some non-specifics, just behavioral traits rather, and you want to just add maybe 1 or 2 paragraphs just displaying some of the things that this person has showed you in a behavioral perspective. You also want to just highlight 1 or 2 of the accomplishments or achievements that this person has achieved within the period, and you want to again give specific examples so that this person feels as if they have been highlighted and you're not just doing a general recommendation for them. Again, you're going to go all the way down to the bottom, and we are now just ending it off and saying overall, this person would be an exceptional asset to the company. this person's skills will contribute significantly to your goals. And thank you for considering this recommendation. Sincerely, your name, your position. Now, of course, you can go and change this. You can make it a little bit longer. You can make it a little bit shorter, and customize it to your specific use case. But this is a general idea for writing letters of recommendation. I really hope this video was helpful.